Alright guys, here we are on Andiamo. My friend's new to him, Catalina 380. Pretty boat. We're in Cambridge, Maryland, and we're going to head out here shortly, heading for Hampton. And we got a nice breeze. Alright, well, we've taken on fuel and we're underway, heading out of Cambridge. Hopefully the next stop will be Hampton. Got a nice breeze blowing. I'm really looking forward to the sail. Well, the wind is lightened up. It's a beautiful day. It's only about 70 degrees. Just not a lot of wind. It lightened up. We're just now turning south out of the Chesapeake River, heading down the bay. Well, it's been a beautiful day. We haven't done a lot of sailing. I think we rolled the head sail up and down 10 or 12 times today. Every time we turn around, the wind would blow, we'd put it up and then the wind would stop. Here's the mouth of the Potomac. There's Smith Point right there, Smith Point Light. I don't know if you can see it yet or not. And we've got, well, quite a few more hours left. We've been underway about 8 or 9 hours. It's probably going to be a 15 to 18 hour trip. So we'll be getting in the middle of the night. Beautiful evening though. Well, as you can see, it really was flat calm out here just before sunset. Had a beautiful sunset. We continued on. We made it to our destination at about 2 a.m. There really wasn't anything to video at night. You can see here that there isn't much showing up on the video after dark, and it was a very dark evening. The moon didn't come up until about 10:30, 11 o'clock. We got in, got tied up, no problem. Overall, it was a really good trip.